Silega Pulse is a highly customizable, powerful, table mat-based business simulation. Participants represent different businesses as they learn about money flow and how it creates value in a business. The table mat depicts all the players in a business: providers, their own business, customers, owners, and society. At the end of each simulated year, the group goes over the company's balance sheet and profit and loss statement. It's a realistic live representation of a business in need of a change. Participants must manage all parts of the business process: planning, operations, finance, and people development. Teams make decisions that every business owner must make, including how to price products, which customers and markets to compete for, how much stock to buy, and how to pay suppliers. At the same time, participants have the opportunity to see what the other departments and functions within the organization are experiencing. After each period of activity, short analysis sessions are conducted, followed by immediate application exercises. We use this program to teach business finance and acumen to managers who make decisions that affect the company's balance sheet, but who do not have financial background. It can also be used to train the sales force how to demonstrate and sell value in business for large volume sales. This simulation includes a lot of relevant content and is essentially a one-week business acumen training series compressed into just 5 to 8 hours.